I am learning how to graft, how to grow different varieties of fruit on one tree. If you want to know how I grow these apples on one branch, these apples on the second branch, these apples on the third branch, if you want to know how I do it, keep watching. That's another apple tree in my garden, which originally had two different varieties. One variety which split into two Y-shaped branches had green cooking apple variety, and I am not very fond of the cooking apple, so I cut the top of it, and I have been practicing all kind of grafts on that one. That's one graft that is cleft, easily visible. Now it has healed. That is another graft. It is hard to actually say anything which way it was grafted. Next to it, that was bar graft. The top was cut and two different grafts were put, and they both have grown. It has so many varieties on it. That cluster of apple looks beautiful. That is one of so many varieties grafted onto that one. The other branch, that's another grafted giant, and that variety is Elster. There are other three grafts over here. That's one, that's two, and that small one is the third one, which had very beautiful apples. And this year it didn't fruit, but it is growing. On the branch next, that has two different grafts, has healed. On the other branch, I did three grafts: saddle graft, cleft, whip and tongue. Whip and tongue didn't grow. That is a cleft graft which has grown, and that is a saddle graft that has grown as well. On the same apple tree, I have that graft of Gala variety which has grown. On the other branch, I budded with the variety I had grown from seed at home. That is a pink lady. Both buds have grown, and that one has grown about 2.5 foot long, slim shoot. And on the other branch, these were few grafts done. Now it is a bit doubtful, but it looks like that is cleft graft. Both grafts, they have grown. On this side, that's a Braeburn variety, while I have grafted another variety at the end of one of its branches, which has grown. That label is still there. And if we come back to the other end of the branch which was cut and grafted, that's a coxpippin orange, nicely grown. It had some fruit on it this year, about 3 or 4 apples on it. This one, it was bar graft. Variety is Baker's Delicious. That was a gift from Stephen Hayes. On its other thick and main branch, there's another variety which produces really big apples, late ripening variety. I have reduced its size a bit, but still a lot of apples hanging. No way near the ripening stage. At the top in the middle, I had made a cut, and there were some shoots which I grafted with few different varieties which were sent by Stephen Hayes. That is Winston. It has grown. That is a kid's orange. That's grown nicely. On the other branch, I have grafted some pear scions. That's one pear on apple tree, and the branch going that way, that cleft graft, 2 different varieties. They were done in July, 4th of July, 5th of July, Safira, and at the end there's another graft as well, and it has another graft. That's Orlean Renette. That is a saddle graft, still visible. I think I can spot a little bit gap in between, which is not very nice. I think I cut the tape bandage a bit too early, so I'll have to do something about it. I can see it is not a very successful graft, although it has grown, but I can see the gap in between. That is one of my mistakes as well. If you like my work, please subscribe to my channel and let others know. If you don't like it, please let me know. Thank you.